Most of us are walking around thinking our bodies are broken, that we need more discipline, more supplements, more control. But what if that's not the problem at all? What if the real issue is that we lost something and no one told us? For most of human history, our food was alive. Vegetables fermented on counters, bread rose with wild yeast, milk cultured itself, soil was full of life, and that life ended up inside us. And then, in a very short amount of time, we decided that microbes were the enemy. We sterilized food, we sanitized kitchens, we stripped soil, we treated all bacteria like a threat, and our bodies responded exactly the way you would expect. I don't think we're in a health crisis because people are lazy or irresponsible. I think we're in a health crisis because we moved the living world from our food. Your gut isn't broken. Your metabolism isn't failing you. Your body is doing its best with the partners it evolved with. Microbes aren't optional, they're infrastructure. I didn't come to this through trends or biohacking. I came to this through my own body, through digestion that didn't make sense, through fatigue, through watching people do everything right and still feel awful. When I started feeding microbes instead of fighting my body, everything changed. Not overnight, not perfectly, but consistently. Microbes help you break food down. They train your immune system. They talk to your nervous system. They even influence mood and cravings. And when we stop feeding them, they don't disappear. They get replaced by opportunists, by imbalance, by inflammation. This isn't about fear, it's about remembering how biology actually works. I spent the last few years writing about this in my book, The Guts of Fermentation, not as a how-to manual, not as a diet, but as a way back to relationship with food, microbes, and the body. If this idea feels new or even uncomfortable, that's okay. We were taught to be afraid of the invisible world. In the next video, I want to talk about one of the most honest signals your body gives you and why it's not gross. If this resonates, stick around.